guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make slime without detergent, borax, or anything. This is what you need. You need something to mix in. Already poured in the glue. No. Sorry about that, guys. You also need some eye drops. I'm using these. You also need some baking soda, and these are household items. I already mentioned the glue part. I already poured that in right there, and something to mix with. So yeah, so let's get started. So I just want to pour in the glue first. I already did. I hit time. Then we're gonna pour in the eye drops. So let's do that. So I'm gonna pour in 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after that, you could pour in a little bit of your things. I'm just gonna get that mixing and pour that in. So just gonna pour it all, and then we're gonna mix. And you think that it's not getting slime, but if you go like that, it is. So just keep on mixing, but that's how you mix it. Bye.